Hemlock's problem-solving service. Egad, what a glorious day for starting my new business. I can hardly wait to get to the office and put up this sign.
Oh, hello, Mr. Hemlock. How are you today?
Egad, Cookie Monster.
Oh, what that big sign you got?
This, my googly-eyed friend, is a new sign for my office.
Oh.
Today I start my new business.
New business? You're not detective anymore?
Oh, yes, indeed. But I am expanding my business. You see what the sign says?
Let me see if me can read sign. It say, Sherlock Hemlock's Detective Agency and Problem-Solving Service. Oh, that nice sign. What that mean?
It means, my furry friend, that from now on, I, Sherlock Hemlock, the world's greatest detective, will not only solve mysteries, I will also solve problems.
What kind of problems you going to solve?
Well, all kinds. For instance...
Help! Somebody help!
What that?
Somebody help!
That, if I'm not mistaken, was a call for help. Someone, no doubt, is in trouble.
Sound like it close by, but we not see anyone.
Oh, please, somebody help!
Elementary, my dear monster. You are looking in the wrong direction. The call for help is coming from above our heads. Egad, Grover, what are you doing up there?
I am trying to hold on to this tree branch, that is what.
Maybe this silly question, but why you doing that?
Because if I do not hold on to this branch, I will fall down and hurt my cute little body. That is why. And I am frightened. Please help get me down from here.
That problem, all right.
Egad, did you hear what you just said?
What me say?
You said he had a problem. Egad, I haven't even hung up my sign, and I have my first case already.
Please hurry. I think the branch is breaking.
Now we must figure out the best way to get him down. And that will solve his problem.
Right.
Well now, there are several ways we can get him down.
Pick one quickly, please.
For instance, we could get a ladder so that he could climb down. That would be the best way.
That's a good idea.
No, that would take too much time. By the time we find a ladder and bring it back here, Grover might have already fallen out of the tree.
Oh, you so smart. Then what do we do?
Egad, I have it. We can throw a rope up. Grover will tie it around his waist, and we can lower him to the ground. Brilliant, eh?
Oh, yeah. You got rope?
Well, I meant if we had a rope, it would be a good solution.
Me got idea. We tell Grover how to get down.
I would appreciate it very much if you would hurry.
Tell him?
Sure. We tell him where to put feet and hands. Then he climbed down all by himself.
Egad, it just might work. Grover, listen to me. Put your left hand on the branch to your right, and right foot on the crooked branch directly above the large limb facing the broken twig. Then...
He has got to be kidding. I am too frightened to climb down by myself. That is why I called for help!
Oh, Mr. Hemlock, you're making it too hard for him. Well, we're wasting time. No. We're coming, Grover! Hold on!
What do you think I am trying to do, Cookie?
Okay. He got you. Mr. Hemlock, you ready?
Oh, yes, ready.
Oh, please do not drop me, Cookie.
There you are, all safe and sound.
Are you okay, Grover?
Oh, Well, I do not seem to have any broken bones. My fur is a bit mussed, but I think I'm okay.
Well, I hope you paid attention to the way I solved that problem. First, I thought of several different solutions, and then I picked the one that I thought was best.
Oh, yeah, you're a real take-charge guy, Mr. Hemlock.
And Grover, I hope you learned a lesson from this.
Well, what is that?
Never climb a tree unless you're absolutely sure you can get back down.
That is not a bad idea. Thank you, Mr. Hemlock. Thank you, Cookie. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Grover. See you later.
All right. I've got to get to the office to put up my sign. In fact, you can come with me and help.
Okay.
If you keep your eyes open, you can learn a lot watching me solve problems. Who knows, someday I may make you my partner. Junior partner, of course.
Whatever.
Here, you can start by carrying this sign.
Well, thanks a lot.
All right. I've got a hammer and nails inside. I'll just unlock the door and we'll,
Well, what's wrong? Why you say uh-oh like that?
I don't seem to have my keys.
Oh, boy, how we get in now?
That's a good question.
You got good answers?
Well, not at the moment, no.
Okay, me start being junior partner right now. Me think of ways of solving problem.
You? Well,
Okay. Problem is, how we got into office if door is locked and we no got key. Ready? Okay, here's some ways. We break down door, that one way. We take door off hinges, that another. We get new key made.
Don't you think...
Oh, wait, me got more. We climb in window and open door from inside, or we forget whole thing and go out of business. How that for good list of solutions?
Cookie Monster, you're off to an excellent start.
Now, we got to pick best solution.
Correct. Well, let me see here.
Tell you what, we let the kids help too, okay?
Certainly.
Oh, okay, kids, me tell you solutions again. Break down door, take door off hinges, get new key made, climb in window and open door from inside, forget whole thing and go out of business. What you think best solution for getting into Mr. Hemlock's office? Okay, turn off sound now. Oh, me like the way you figure things out. That show you're really using old noodle. Break down door, no good. Who want to have office with broken door?
My thinking exactly.
Take door off hinges? Not bad, but we got no tools here.
Correct.
Have new key made? Good solution, but take time. Got to send for a person called locksmith. Then locksmith got to do lots of work to make key.
Correct again.
So, forget whole thing and go out of business.
That's ridiculous. I'm not going out of business just because I can't get the door open.
Oh, me just kidding. Want to make sure everybody paying attention. Now, climb in window and open door from inside. Fastest and easiest way to get into office. What do you think of that one?
Well, that's obviously the best solution.
Well, what you waiting for? Come on, climb in.
Me?
You, yeah.
Oh, well, yes, just let me...
Oh, no, me no can wait. Me climb in.
Egad, that was brilliantly done. You're going to make a fine problem solver one day.
Oh, me be happy for that. Hey, let's get the sign put up, okay? Pretty soon we get lots of customers with problems to solve, huh?
Well, actually, I think we'll wait until tomorrow to put it up.
Tomorrow? Why?
Because at the moment I have problem of my own that needs solving.
Oh yeah, what that?
I'm exhausted. The best solution to that problem is for me to take a nap. See you tomorrow, partner.
Oh well. Guess this junior partner take day off. Go find some junior cookies. Sleep tight, Mr. Hemlock.